Welcome to Travel Tour Theme. Travel Tour is a special WordPress theme that allows you to get the dashboard that is perfectly suitable to the needs of tour industry. Start creating a new tour in the Tour tab, adding a new one with your own content. At the bottom of the page, you'll see the Tour Settings section. You can set the tour type, date, price at the Date and Price tab. You can set extra tour information at Tour Settings tab, like 1 day, multiple days, recurring, one-time, room-based pricing, and so on. As for the prices, you can set not only fixed price for the tour, but also seasonal. Also, group discount can be enabled in the single tour setting, date, and price. Make the searching for users as comfortable as possible with customization of searching filters. Go to Tour, add new filter, and then create a new filter. You can assign your tours to a new filter in single tour editor page. Then you can also enable the filter in search bar from search item type setting, page builder. Also, you can enable the custom filters in search result page here. In the tour settings, you can find create custom package options where you can set all the parameters like title, caption, base price, etc. to be used in many circumstances. All the transaction can be easily set up by Tour Master tab. Go to Tour Master plugin, option, general, payment page to set up the payment template and sidebar. At the Payment Settings tab, select the payment method you want. You can learn more about how to obtain the payment API key in the next section. Deposit payment can be configured in Tour Master option. Payments and also the feature that allow a customer to upload payment receipt and admin will be able to approve or reject for manual money transfer purpose. After setting ability to manage booking transaction like approve, cancel, reject, and so on will be available in the tab Tour Master. You also need to set creating login, register page. First, you need to create 2 blank pages, login page and register page in this case. Go to Tour Master option, Tour Setting, Template Setting, and choose Pages. In case you need setting up social login, you have to install the NextEnd Social Login plugin. NextEnd Social Login is a professional, easy-to-use, and free WordPress plugin that lets your visitors register and log into your site using their social profiles instead of forcing them to spend valuable time to fill in the registration form. They don't need to wait for validation emails or keep track of their username and password. You can install NextEnd Social Login through plugins. Add new interface. Just search for the plugin's name, then hit install and activate. As a result of creating site with this theme, you are getting comfortable to use customers' dashboard that's specially created for tour industry. Just take a look at tabs where you can perform all that you need to manage the user's activity, like viewing booked tours, booking status, invoice, rating tour, and so on. This was just a short preview of what is possible with Tour Travel Theme. Many more settings are available to make your tour site extremely great.